So we need to graph the following quadratic function, negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. Since this is a quadratic function, we understand that its graph will look like a parabola. And before we start drawing it, let's find some information about it. So first of all, we know that if we write down our quadratic function in its standard form, which is a times x squared plus bx plus c, and if a is negative, so if a is smaller than 0, that means that our parabola opens down. And actually in our function negative x squared plus 6x minus 8, a, so the coefficient in front of x squared, is equal to negative 1. So a is equal to negative 1. That means that a is less than 0. And that means that our parabola opens down. Parabola opens down. So basically it looks like this. It will look like this. Now let's try to find the vertex of our parabola. To find the x-coordinate of the vertex, we need to use the following formula, negative b over 2a. This is equal to, so in our function b is 6, so it's negative 6 over a is negative 1, so it's 2 times 1, negative 1 is negative 2. So the whole thing is equal to 3. Well, now we need to find y coordinate of the vertex. Y coordinate of the vertex, we can find it by calculating f of 3. And this is equal to negative 3 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 8. Negative 3 squared is negative 9 plus 18 minus 8, and this whole thing is equal to 1. So the vertex of our parabola, the vertex is 3, 1. Well, let's depict this point on x and y plane. So x is equal to 3, it's here, 3. And y is equal to 1, so right here. So this is our vertex. Well, we know that parabola is defined by 3 points, so we need to find 2 more points, because now we have only one, the vertex. To find 2 more points, we can find X-intercepts. So to find that, we just need to let our function be equal 0, so minus x squared plus 6x minus 8 is equal 0. Let's find the discriminant. So the discriminant is b squared, which is 6 squared, minus 4 times a times c, so minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 8. This whole thing is equal to 36 minus 4 times 1 is 1, 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32. So the discriminant is equal to 4. Now to find the roots, so to find x, we need to take negative b, which is negative 6, plus the square root of discriminant, or over 2 times a, so negative 2. And to find the second root, we will do the same thing, but here we will have negative 6 minus the square root of discriminant over negative 2. Now let's do the calculation. So x1 is equal to, the square root of 4 is 2, negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 over negative 2 is just 2. Well, x2 is equal to negative 6 minus 2, which is negative 8, and negative 8 over negative 2 is 4. So now we have found 2 more points. The first one is 2, 0, and the second one is 4, 0. Let's find them on the x and y plane. So first one 2, 0 right here, and the second one 4, 0 right here. Well, now we can connect these 3 points and we will get our parabola. So we can connect it like this, and this is what our parabola looks like.